Welcome to Tech with the GEP. I'm Sangay Nidup from Bhutan. So I'm working in the National Land Commission Secretariat of Bhutan. So I'm working here as a land surveyor. So today I'll be introducing you and unboxing with the FOIF RTK A90. So this one is FOIF A90 RTK. So this one is a base setup and the other one is the robot setup. So for the base we have one receiver and we have a compartment for the battery, as well as it has the compartment for the SIM card and as well as for the SD card. So the battery is hot swappable. And this one is the wireless data transceiver, which is used while connecting the base as an external radio. So for the external radio we have other accessories. So this one is one of the accessories. This is the port extender, whereby it gets connected with the external radio antenna. The external radio antenna is this one. So we have a very long strip, so it gets connected with that data transceiver, and then it gets connected to the car battery. So for the car battery we have the Y cable which connects with the receiver, and then this cable it connects with the battery, car battery. So for the base we have a battery charger and two batteries and one measuring tape. As well, it comes with the USB whip for the internal radio purposes, and this is the extender which is used to connect the base receiver with the tripod and then with tripod. So the small node here is the extender. Actually it's an extender, it's a small extender. For the robot we have similar kind. So we have the receiver there, and then it's the same as that of base receiver, and we have here a controller here. So this is Android function, and then inside it has the FOIF pad which is used to control the FOIF RTKs and all. So for that we have a type C charger for that one, and we have another battery charger as well, and we have two batteries for the same, and as well we have the USB antenna whip which is used to connect the base with the robot, and we have tripod which is aluminum made and is very lightweight, so it's easy to carry, and another we have a rubber pole which is very light and easy to carry while carrying out the survey. So this is all. So thank you.